I smell the bones of an Englishman.
Levi-o-hum, crossbone swords and a bottle of rum. Levi-o-hum, no rest for the lily-livered pirate scum. From the dawning of the day to the drowning of the sun, no rest for the lily-livered pirate scum.
Gun bound to oxygen. Cause once we started, baby, ain't no stopping it.
El jefe.
Owen, no torturing the prisoner!
How does he always know?
We've discussed this. Hiccup Haddock is a magical creature. We haven't seen 2% of his magical capabilities. Some would call him a wizard.
How does he always have a terrible terror, or a new tail, or the dragon blade that just seems to magically appear out of nowhere? I mean, there it is, suddenly.
Enough! Oh, my mind is going to places I don't want it to go.
Bam! A dragon blade.
And every bounty hunter from here to the archipelago is going to be looking for you.
Thank you. It's not loud for your undying support.
No, thank you, Hiccup. I wonder if Vigo's paying the bounty with Burke's gold.
That much irony should be illegal.
I did this. I'm gonna kill you, Dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I'm a Viking. I am a Viking!
Je t'aime, je ne veux que toi. Premier amour, au prénom sorcelé.
Somebody to someone, oh, I wanna be somebody to someone, oh, I never had nobody and no road home, I wanna be somebody to someone. Sunset and the sky goes cold, and if the clouds get heavy and start to fall, I really need somebody to call my own, I wanna be
There's a heavy blue, one to love and one to lose. Sweet divine, a heavy truth, water run. Don't make me choose. I wanna feel the way that we did us on the night. Drunk on a feeling alone with the stars in the sky. I've been running through the jungle, I've been running with the wolves to get to you, to get to you.
It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
Thank you for summing that up.
Look, the point is, stop trying so hard to be something you're not.
I just want to be one of you.
Down we go, Oh, crazy, what him. Let's get started!
Figure out which side you're on.
You're not my son.
Down we go.
It's a cruel joke on me. Whatever, whatever. Just means there's way more cake for me. Forever, forever. It's my party and I cry for one, two, cry for one, two, cry, cry, cry. How going till the candles burn down this place? How going till my pity parties in flames? It's my party and I cry for one, two, cry for one, two, cry, cry, cry. How going till the candles burn down this place? How going till my pity parties in flames?
There's most definitely a difference between Jose Onfroy and XXX. Nobody cared about Jose Onfroy. Jose Onfroy was weak. Nobody gave a fuck about me as an individual. Nobody gave a fuck about how I felt. Now my opinion is respected, and every move I make is recorded and calculated. Nobody cared about Jose Onfroy until he took on the persona as XXX.
As a baby, well, you don't know fuck about my family. Could never tell you what happened the day I turned 17.
Not a Viking.
The gun was mine, so cool. No, I
You're
don't
not my son.
But I got smarter, I got harder in the nick of time. Honey, I rose up from the dead, I do it all the time.
Figure out which side you're on.
Dad, please. I promise you, you can't win this one. Dad, no. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throw your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Everyone was worried about you, you know. You can't just disappear. You really hurt a lot of people.
Sometimes you need to take responsibility for your own happiness.
You don't think that's a little selfish?
I don't know what to tell you. I'm happy for the first time in my life, and I'm not going to feel bad about it. It takes a long time to realize how truly miserable you are, and even longer to see that it doesn't have to be that way. Only after you give up everything can you begin to find a way to be happy.
Guys, just keep your helmets on. Toothless and I will fly.
Toothless has the light fury now. He's probably not even coming back.
What?
You gave him his freedom, Hiccup. What were you expecting?
I never thought he'd stay away for good.
Oh, you think I'm gone 'cause I left, but I'm in the trees, I'm in the breeze. My footsteps are the ground. You'll see my face in every place, but you can't catch me now. Through waiting grass, the months will pass. You'll feel it all around. I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere, but you can't catch me now.
Once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You throw your lot in with them. You're not a Viking. You're not my son.
Get me off this roller coaster.
Go! Save yourself!
If we go down, then we go down together.
Niko neće džanom, niko neće moju bol, da ga suze kanu, tomu predam se. Niko neće džanom, niko neće moju bol, na mom jastuku bez mira sanjam sled. Ni do zadnjeg leta, ni do kraja sveta, sudbina je moja pleta. Ova duša nema dom, ova duša nema ton, crne zore, sveće gore, moje more. Moje more, 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 moje more.
I'm crawling in my skin. Sometimes I feel like giving up, but I just can't. It isn't in my blood. It isn't in my blood.
Je volais le ciel, le jour, la nuit. Je danse avec le vent, la pluie. Un peu d'amour, un brin de miel. Et je danse, 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 danse.
Out on the terrace. I don't know if it's fair, but I thought, how could I let you fall by yourself? Well, I'm wasted with someone else. If we go down, then we go down together.
Novinha, então capa, 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 novinha, então capa, treta. Firma do podcast, firma do podcast, firma do podcast, firma do
Okay, Toothless. Time to disappear. Come on, bud. Here it comes.
this works.
Come on! We're the best you can do! Stay with me, buddy. We're good. Just a little bit longer.
Hold, Toothless.
Drago or his choppers do this too?
Oh, yeah. Well...
You can be the beauty and I could be the monster.
So I guess I'll see you later, or I'll see you on my phone like that. The ribbon, fuck your feelings. Oasis, how I saw in this spiritual.
It's your fault, bud. They made you do it.
At the same time, hiding all of our sins from the daylight, from the daylight.
You'd never hurt him.
From the daylight, from the daylight, running from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time.
I won't leave you. I won't let you go.
Fell to their knees and begged that drifter, begged him please, as he raised his fist before he spoke. I am the righteous hand of God, and I am the devil that you forgot.
Both of us! Fighting over a dragon! That's your plan! From the daylight,
This is
from the daylight. Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time.
Save him.
The whole world was watching, I'd still dance with you. Drive highways and byways, be there with you. Over and over, the only truth. Everything comes back to you. Don't wanna leave you anymore. Oh, darling, Lord of the city lights never shine as bright as your eyes.
Okay there, bud. We're gonna take this nice and slow. Here we go. Oh, here we go. Position 3, no 4. All right, it's go time. It's go time. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Yes, it worked. Sorry. That's my fault. Yeah, I'm on it. Position 4, 3. Go, baby! Yes! Oh, this is amazing! The wind in my cheek! Stop! No! Oh, gosh! Oh, God! Oh, no! Oh,
back towards me. Come back down. Now!
And I have to be like, that's my mortal enemy. You know, it's the love of my life. That man is my nemesis, but he's also my everything. You know?
Wanna be you. Why does he always have to make such a production out of everything?
Big reputation, big reputation. Oh, you and me, we got big reputations. Ah, and you heard about me. Oh, I got some big reputation.
Oh, brother.
Go deeper than the ink beneath the skin of our tattoos. No, we don't share the same blood. You're my brother, and I love you. That's the truth. We're living different lives. Heaven only knows if we'll make it back with all our fingers in our toes. 5 years, 20 years, coming back will always be the same. If I was dying on my knees, you would be the one to rescue me.
Hey, brother, there's an endless road to rediscover. Hey, sister, know the water's sweet, but blood is thicker. Oh, if the sky comes falling down for you, there's nothing in this world I wouldn't do.
He's gonna dropkick anyone that touches you. And Daddy's going to bail Mommy out of jail. Mommy.
I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're the man, I think therefore I am. I'm not your friend or anything, damn. You think that you're the man, I think therefore I am.
You think you can come into my home, sit in my father's chair, and threaten my dragon? This is Burke, and we have defended our way of life from far worse than you.
Oh, a fighting spirit. I love it. Only, I'm afraid you're mistaken. You've never seen anything like me.
You may have my number, you can take my name, but you'll never have my heart. Make the sky fall when it crumbles. We will stand tall, face it all together. Let the sky fall.
Yeah, I wouldn't advise taking Toothless anywhere, Chief. I know this handiwork. Grimmel the Grizzly, famous back where I'm from. The smartest dragon hunter I ever met. Well, next to me, of course.
He can't be that smart. He left his trap unmanned.
Nothing's accidental when it comes to old Grimmel. He lives for the hunt, to get inside the mind of his prey, to control its every choice. It's all a game to him.
Well, he doesn't know who he's playing with.
Yeah, well, we've dealt with this kind before.
They say there are two ways to be fooled. One is to believe what isn't true. The other is to refuse to believe what is. I beg to differ, my dear Hiccup. My dear Hiccup, I am overjoyed to see you. The difference, my dear Hiccup, is Project Shellfire. As I said, my dear Hiccup. Poor dear Hiccup. Relationships can be complicated. Am I right? Hiccup's ingenuity. It's fascinating. The boy has invented things most could only dream of.
Reverence? It's a dangerous emotion, Vigo.
Only if it is allowed to cloud one's judgment. Besides, his little inventions have proven useful. They use this to successfully go deep into the defenders of the Wing Volcano. Hiccup may not appear a worthy adversary, however, he is as formidable as they come.
His love of dragons will prevent him from shooting to kill, while our flyers look forward to it. Your archipelagan idol will have quite the inner struggle, one that he will never win.
When Johan and Krogan left me for dead, a monstrous nightmare saved me. I've spent my whole life hunting dragons, killing them, and I've come to respect them as equals. You taught me that, Hiccup.
No, I'm not gonna leave you.
Hiccup, you're more ruthless than you realize. I know you will defeat Krogan and Johan.
Pain. Love it. Okay, but I hit a Night Fury. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa! I knew it. I'm dead. I could get used to it.
Say one breath, it'll just break it. So shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Holy hands, pulling, make me a sinner. Like a river.
If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick. He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master.
And unless you let us go, right now, he will blast through here on his Night Fury and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters.
Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you.
Maybe I just